We have a fan, portable fan, that attaches to the backpack. Got a clip that you can hang on to any type of attachments. USB-C compliance with 5 speeds, 1, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And it's rechargeable, runs hours on end. It has a number system on the center over here. And just press it 2 seconds. It blows gentle breeze. You want forceful air? Increase the speed. And when you hit the speed you want and you finish, just simply long press for off. Great for hiking, camping, on a picnic bench, at a park, your desk, sitting in a car. The 52602 JMOSTRG with the carabiner hook on the bottom comes with the USB-C cable, compliance, an instruction guide with all the information provided about the product, how to charge, and how to change and start the unit. Check online for the colors you are after. This is the on and off button. By long pressing 2 seconds, it turns on the fan and off the fan. It starts at default speed number 1, a gentle speed. Changing it anytime you want. It shows you the battery percentage. It goes to 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% full speed, and shows the amount of percentage of the battery left. As the fan is on, you can see the instruction guide moving. Great for commuting, great for sitting down in the hot sun, by the beach, by the cabana, anywhere that you need to have a portable fan. It is the size of my hand, a nice large hand. It is lightweight. It is quiet in most modes. Turn off is simply long pressing the button. Easy to charge. Use a power bank. Taking the USB-C cable, plugging into the back of the unit to a power bank or brick. Charge the unit and run the unit as well for unlimited runtime. Portable fan, wherever you need to have a fan for your cooling needs. Thank you for viewing.